disconnecting the comb onto the comb trailer. We're going to relocate. We're finished in this paddock, and he's disconnected the hydraulics or the drive to the comb. So he's hopped out and he's parked it. He's changed how that the top bit that spins around. I'm not sure what that's called. The forks, maybe. They spin around. That's been in a park position. That's not the normal position they're in. They've been put into a park or stowed position, and now he's just lowering it gently. Here he goes, and he's away. That's how we drive, like that, when we relocate. He's cleaning off a bit of the chaff.